You've been using a tiny preposition wrong for years, and it makes you sound aggressive. It's the difference between speak at someone and speak to is neutral. You address them, you talk with them, but speak at? That sounds hostile. You talk aggressively over them. You direct your words like bullets. For example, you should say, I need to speak to my boss. That's respectful. If you say, he always speaks at me in meetings, you're describing someone who's being rude and overpowering. Remember this simple rule. If you want to sound respectful, always use speak to. Never speak at. For more tips like this, follow the channel Ediane. Subscribe for daily English lessons that actually help you sound better.